Escolapias.
In Valencia, Spain.
Hello, my name is Laura.
Mine Sofia.
And mine, Lorena.
Today we are going to teach you how to make a traditional Spanish gazpacho.
100% natural recipe and veggie recipe.
The ingredients are tomato, green pepper,
Cucumber, onion, vinegar,
salt, oil, cold water, bread, paprika,
croutons,
and garlic.
The first step is to chop all the ingredients.
When we see that the chicken and rabbit are already golden, we add the crushed tomatoes, the beans, the cauliflower, and the water up to the ends of the paella, which is usually about 1.5 liters of water. We add the coloring and some salt,
Peel the onion.
and we wait 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the artichokes without the water, and we wait another 5
Please be careful with the ice because you cry with the onion.
Now it's time to pour out the rice, and we pour it out in the shape of a caballon and spread it out, and then we pour out the
Look at, I am crying with this recipe.
And now you have to cut the tomatoes.
20 minutes until the rice is cooked.
This is top secret. Shh. You need cut this part of the
After
cucumber.
this time, we let it cool down.
Do this to
and
take
decorate
away
it
the
with
bitter
lemon.
taste.
Now all that remains is to serve
Can
it
you see
and
this?
serve.
It's foam. And now remove cucumber skin.
Take out a clove of garlic and peel it.
Secret.
Take out the heart of the garlic. Cut it. And now put the garlic with the rest of the ingredients.
First of all, we
Put
turn
into
gas
the
on the
ingredients a little bit of
for
water.
them. When the oil has been heated, we add the chicken and the rabbit. The rabbit and the chicken are fried until the
Add a pinch of salt and paprika.
Water up to the ends of the paella, which is usually about 1.5 liters of water. We add the coloring and some salt
And remove.
and we wait 20 minutes.
And jet of oil.
After 20 minutes,
And some
add the
bread
artichokes
crumbs.
without the water, and we wait another 5 minutes. It's time to pour out the rice, and we pour it out in the shape of a
And science,
caballon
this
and
dish
spread
is
it out.
for summer.
And then
You
we
need to
pour
put
out
in
the
the
rosemary.
fridge
1 hour.
After boil it over a very high heat
Now,
for
while
about
we
20
wait,
minutes.
let's start
until
with the
rice
second
is
course.
cooked.
This is a potato omelette.
Homemade and Spanish.
These are the ingredients.
After this
Potato,
time, we let it cool
oil,
down a bit and
salt,
decorate it with lemon.
Eggs. First you have to peel the potato. Wash it and chop it.
Now in a bowl beat the egg. And put salt.
Cut the potatoes. And put the potatoes in a pan with hot oil.
First of all, we turn on the gas and put the paella on. And then
Potatoes are fried. We put the potatoes in the bowl of the eggs.
Mix the potatoes with the eggs.
The first step is put the potatoes and the eggs in the pan.
And now we turn it over.
Please be careful.
And we remove and we wait 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the artichokes without the water and we wait another 5 minutes.
Another top.
Now it's time to pour out the rice, and we pour it out in the shape of a caballon and spread it out, and then we pour out the rosemary. After, boil it over a very high heat for about 20 minutes until the rice is cooked. After this time, we let it cool down a bit and decorate it with lemon. Now all that remains is to serve it and enjoy.
Delicious! They come the gazpacho of the
Yes, and it is also necessary to put it in the table.
Along with the potatoes omelette.
Well, let's start.
Now we need green pepper, onion, cucumber, and finally croutons.
Chop everything and put it in 4 bowls.
And then we put in the table.
First of all, we turn on the gas and put the paella on, and then we pour the oil. When the oil has been heated, we add the chicken and the rabbit. The rabbit and the chicken are fried.
And this chopped vegetable is to put it in the gazpacho.
In another container, we fill the artichokes and we divide them into 4 pieces and we put them in water with lemon. When we see that the chicken and rabbit are already golden, we add the crushed tomatoes, the beans, the garbanzos, and the water up to the ends of the paella, which is usually about 1.5 liters of water. We add the coloring and some salt, and we remove and we wait.
We hope you to enjoy with this recipe.
Goodbye!
And the artichokes.
Now we are going to do the cold tuna cake. The cold tuna cake is a traditional Spanish dish, which is typical of northern Spain. The ingredients we will need. First, in a platter, we order the bread slice.
Sausages and black pudding, chicken breast, tomato, and a little water.
Then, in a bowl, we mix the tuna without oil.
It's cut into very small pieces, like this.
And the mayonnaise. And we mix it.
Then we cut the breast and sausage.
Then we have to cover
pieces,
the layers
like this,
of bread
and
with the
we start to
mixture
cook.
we made before. Now we have to put 2 layers of bread, and in the last layer we have to leave the mixture and cover. When we have done, we scratch the hard-boiled egg on the top, and we put film paper. And finally, we leave it on the fridge 1 hour.
Now we let it cover.
Now we are going to do the cold tuna cake. The cold tuna cake is
Rollitos received from anise. Ingredients: 1 glass of olive oil, 1 glass of anise, flour, sugar and cinnamon. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. We heat in a pot oil and anise. It don't have to boil. Remove from heat and add flour until a homogeneous and moldable dough forms. We just prepare the dough. We form rolls and sprinkle with sugar and cinnamon. We put them in the oven about 10 or 15 minutes. And ready to eat.